Hey guys, I got a couple questions about Edpuzzle and how to look at the comments and reply to them. So I created my own account on Edpuzzle, and what I did was I went to edpuzzle.com, and then what I did is I clicked on my completed assignments. So I completed something on finding missing angles, and I'm going to click on show results. You guys will see this too. Click on show results. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at each question. Now, so I said that sine of angle A. I said it was 10 over 24. And in the comments, a nice guy named Mr. Graham replied and said it was O over H. So what you guys are going to do is what I'm looking for is for you guys to click on that comment and then type in the correct answer. So like in this case, it would be 10 over 26. Okay? And then you guys would click on comment again. Hopefully that's going to help out. Do that for all the questions so I can give you guys full credit for that. But hopefully that'll help out.